The crowd is silent. One man stands alone. And the Empire watches. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Blood on the sand and glory in my veins. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? I came back from the dead to burn your world in flames. They took everything, my home, my name, my blood. Dragged me through the fire and left me in the mud. Chained me to the arena, said fight for their crown. But every man they sent me, I put them in the ground. Trained in the dust where the lions still feed. A general turned slave with a warrior's creed. They wanted a spectacle, something to fear, so I gave them a legend. Are you not entertained? The emperor sits on his throne up high, but the crowd belongs to me tonight. 1,000 eyes upon the sand. Rome will fall by a dead man's hand. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Blood on the sand and glory in my veins. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? I came back from the dead to burn your world in flames. No chains can hold me. No emperor owns.
Are you not entertained? What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good. Man, this morning I woke up, right? I woke up this morning, and to be honest, I didn't know if I had an energy drink. I didn't know if I had one in the fridge, and well, I found one. I found one. So it is a good morning so far. It is. We're starting off on a good. It's a good morning so far here. We are getting it going. It is time to make some money. Overnight, looks like we did not get much of a move. We were trading last night at midnight, and I said basically we had this wedge form, and well, there you go. The play, the move overnight, we did push up, take out that high. So the idea was take the long above the breakout, try to ride it up there towards the overnight high again. So good morning, good morning, good morning. We got a big old gap. Big old gap here. Big old gap here. Gonna have to see what happens here today. Gonna have to see what happens here today. Gonna have to see what happens. We do have a big old gap there from Friday. Friday close is that dotted line down there, right? So London, we kind of pumped, but now pulling back here into the 9 o'clock time frame. So we'll see what happens. Just getting it going here, getting it started. Mega Money Mondays, Mega Money Monday. That's right, it's time. BW back with a fresh hot dog. Wait, what? Wait, what? You got a fresh hot dog? What are you doing with that hot dog, man? What are you doing with that hot dog, man? What? This guy said he got a hot dog. Anthony said his best guess is that we retest the Friday lows. Good guess. Good guess. We'll see. You never know. Anything's possible here. Anything is possible, my friends. We're just getting started. If you're just now tuning, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You know, show a little bit of love on the stream. My hair, right, dude. Look, I got like a little. I washed my hair yesterday. Look how nice it looks. Looks so nice. Nasdaq right there. Pivot point. Pivot point at the 28,621s on the hourly chart. We've got a pivot point on the smaller time frames as well, pretty much right there. So we have a pivot point around the 600 level. We were stuck at that pivot point last night. We did push up. We made a new high, but right now pulling back here. So let's go. Lovely Lauren, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you. Thank you. I'm back. I'm back with news. More news than I could ever news. Wait, why does Windows always want to update? As soon as I get on the computer in the morning, it's like, do you want to update now? I'm like, no. No, I do not want to update right now, idiot. Like, I just got on the computer. Do you really think I want to update right now? You know? Do you really think I want to update right now? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's good for your CPU. I'm scared. PW, I felt like I just saw you. Well, we were live at midnight last night. We were live at midnight last night, so we'll see what happens. What a fun night last night. Making some money, getting to make fun of ICT. I posted my results here. These Lucid accounts, we got moved into a live account with Lucid. So as you can see, making a little bit of money. Wee. Sweet. And we just got a $17,000 payout. I love, like, the funniest is that, like, people think that I, like, generated those P&L screenshots. You know? I'm confused. Why would I generate it? You know? Gerard Morato said, I've tried day trading for around 1 to 2 months. Should I give up or keep trying? I understand a lot more than when I started. I think I'm better a trader in the middle of the day. Sir, you've been trading for 1 to 2 months and you think that you're gonna figure it out? You think that you're gonna figure it out? Sir, go ahead and quit now. Go ahead and quit now, sir. Go ahead and quit now. Just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and just 1 to 2 months is just getting your feet wet, right? You got a lot to learn still, my friend. You got a lot to go through. You got a lot to go through still. All right. You got a lot to go through. So right now the Nasdaq is kind of holding up here. We're getting started a little early. Good morning. I mean, the funny thing is, like, again, people that say that I generate my screen. I mean, we day trade live on YouTube. I mean, we literally day trade live on YouTube, Jet. So I mean, if I was gonna make fake screenshots, I would make the numbers way bigger. You know what I mean? If I could, I would make the money way bigger. You know, would make the money way bigger. I need that money way bigger. Dude, ICT absolutely had a brain aneurysm last night. He had a brain aneurysm last night. Had a brain aneurysm last night, dude. I think he's still probably laying there in bed trying to figure out what happened. Patrick got me. He got me good. First off, the funniest part is that I basically trolled him into thinking that I deleted my Twitter account, right? That's how dumb. He thought that he beat me. He thought that he took me off of Twitter. He literally thought that. I just deactivated my Twitter account for a couple hours because I knew that he would post about it. Oh man, I'm Thor, baby. You my bitch, ICT. ICT's my bitch. He's my pony. He's my little pony boy. That boy, he's my little pony boy. My little pony boy. Oh man, I got the funniest video. You guys gotta watch this. I can't even. I don't know if it's. We don't have enough people watching yet. We gotta wait till there's like 3,000 people watching. I mean, the whole thing that I said about the uneducated Africans is the fact that ICT's followers are fucking retarded, right? Like they are literally retarded. And it's not just because, you know, they're clearly uneducated to think that a man who claims to have been kidnapped by the market makers, it actually knows how to day trade. It's crazy, right? Like, it's crazy work. PW, will you trade before open or just wait for the New York Open? I'm probably gonna wait for the New York Open, so we'll see. Right now, just kind of chopping around up here. Overnight really hasn't gone anywhere. We had this big gap up, so the idea at open is possibly we sell down, try to fill that gap. That's kind of a possibility. We're kind of just stuck up here, right? So this is that big gap from the Friday close. And, you know, we'll have to see what happens. We'll have to see what happens. Let's go. Catholic Saints and Angels. Got a TPT account. Hey, man, nice and easy. Slow and easy. Slow is fast, fast is slow. Or something like that. I forgot what the saying is, but somebody told me one time that fast is slow and fast is slow. So, hopefully that is what I believe it is. Hopefully. Someone said, isn't D-Money African? No, he's African American. Big difference. Big difference. Someone in the chat said, question for you. How many payouts would you have to see someone to get thinking that they are turning the corner into the session? I don't know what that means. How many payouts? I mean, just because you get payouts does not mean like you figured it out, right? And remember, like it ain't over. You know, it ain't ever over. So, you know, just because you make some money today don't mean you're gonna make money tomorrow. This is, every day is a day. Would you ever come to New Zealand? Somebody asked in the chat. Maybe one day. We'll see. We will see. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Dude, I'm kind of like, I was talking about it last night. I'm a little nervous, chat. I'm a little nervous with these Lucid live accounts. I'm a little nervous because, you know, I know that I need to just, I got to build a buffer, right? I got to build a buffer. I got to get the buffer built up and just kind of like play it easy, you know? I got to play it easy. I got to play it easy, man. We just got to play it smart, I guess, is what we got to do. We got to play it smart. Got to play it smart, man. We just got to play it smart, man. That's all. That's all. Right now, Nasdaq just kind of hold up there above the VWAP. Gotta see what happens. Explain the Lucid Daily. Honestly, I haven't even really like heard much about it. Last night it popped off. We came out with the news about the new plan. The new plan came out. The daily plan. Yeah, I don't really know. I just got all my Lucid. I got moved to live in Lucid, so I've got 550K live Lucid accounts now. So that's good news. Got moved to live after getting $60,000 in payouts in July, so cool. That's cool. That's cool. So the new account that everyone's talking about are these Lucid daily plans. You can customize your plan. So I guess you go here. Oh, I don't think I can actually buy it because I've got the live accounts, but oh wait, never mind. I think you go here, you go end of day drawdown, and then daily loss limit off. And it kind of adjusts the price down there. So you turn it on, daily loss limit on, it's $20 cheaper. If you do intraday, it's $95. Obviously, select the platform, got to pick trade of 8. So yeah, some new stuff going on with Lucid. PW, you look sleepy. Well, I mean, it is 6 a.m. in the morning here in California, so thanks for your support. What Lucid accounts do I use? The 150K Lucid accounts. 150K Lucid accounts. $150K Lucid accounts. Patrick, can you explain your strategy? I mean, bull flags and bear flags, baby. What's the difference between Lucid Funded and Lucid Live? One is a simulated funded account. The other one is a live funded account. So, a little different. Kind of like right now, we're bear flagging here, right? If we get below this VWAP, start to move down. I think basically below 600s, this thing starts to move down, right? It starts to get going. What is the yellow circle? The yellow circle is the gap, right? We opened up this Sunday night, big old gap up, market gapped up, and right now, you can see the close from Friday is that dotted line down there with that yellow line. So are we going to fill the gap? I mean, maybe. It's hard to say. That would be kind of the, things. Did you have nightmares of ICT last night? No, I did not. Thank you for asking. I'm not gay, but appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. The only person who had nightmares last night is ICT thinking about me. He's the one that wants to lick my butthole. I mean, I didn't say it. He said it. That's kind of weird, bro. It's kind of weird, chat. Why would he say that he wants to lick my butthole? Why did he say that? Does anybody? I don't even know. Why would somebody say that? Why would you want to lick my butthole, ICT? I mean, he's the one who said it, not me. Listen, I mean, I didn't say it. He said it.
From you there. If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year, guess what? We're going to compare 1099Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing, drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you have fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking ass. Fucking clown.
Hey,
Dude,
it's been fun. It's
money.
been fun, and it's been real.
No,
right?
No, I'm not done. Don't interrupt me.
My bad. My bad.
Coming here, holding your dick in your hand, and then saying some Mickey Mouse shit and running away. That's the biggest cowardice shit I've ever fucking seen. Dude, I'm out here every fucking week telling you exactly what this market's going to do. I made so much fucking money, you would shit and fall back in and roll around in that motherfucking shit. You will never see money like that. You will never see money.
You will never see money like that. He's so rich, he's going to make 50x what I make. Oh, God, what a fucking retard. Oh, it's hilarious. You got to love it, man. You got to love it. Who's that? That's ICT. Don't even worry. Don't even worry about it, Chad. He's just some retarded fucking, I don't even know what you call him. He's just, God, he's got to be, he's something else. Good morning. Good morning. You got to love it. It's too funny. The ICT followers are a next level of insanity. They don't like reality. That's what I've figured out here, is that reality and ICT does not matter. You know, like this guy last night, look at this post that he put up, right? Look at his post. It's just like, it's like, he says, you are an idiot, piss of shit, since you can't come at ICT without calling African. You bastard fool. I see why you hate it. Patrick, you are a failure and you don't want to accept it, fool. At 40 plus. Well, I wonder where this guy lives. Oh, yeah. Who would have thought? In Nigeria. And guess what? Nigeria is ranked 191st in the world for education. So, I'm racist. Clear. Everybody thinks I'm racist now because I said that there are uneducated Africans that follow ICT. So, I mean, you know, hey. I guess I'm a realist. I don't know. The facts don't lie. The facts don't lie. I mean, the fact that people actually believe that ICT makes money alone, you know, that right there just proves that they're fucking retarded. Like, you got to be fucking retarded to believe that ICT actually makes money. You know, you gotta believe that. You gotta believe that. Is Kamala Harris educated? No, she got to pay. She got to turn the book. She got to turn the page in the book. Okay. Patrick, you are SS. What's that mean? What's this guy spamming the chat right now? Patrick, you are SS. What's RS? What's RSS? What does that mean? What does that mean? Can you use English, sir? Can you use English, sir? Can you use the English? Oh man, we got plenty of time here till market opens. It's only 9:12 in the morning. Only 9:12. We still got time. Oh, RSS equals racist. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that. I don't know your acronyms for racist. I don't know the acronyms for racism. Why is Kamala Harris not considered educated? Is that a real question? Why is Kamala Harris not considered educated? Like Kamala Harris? Why is she not, why is she not educated? I mean, I don't know. Have you ever seen her talk? Have we ever seen Kamala Harris talk?
How are we approaching this issue in a way that we also understand we cannot support and help our young people if we also don't also look at the context in which those young people live and are being raised, which means necessarily, because our edict and our mission is not to come out and say, well, we could do this better. Part of the extension of the work you will do is, yes, focused on our young leaders and our young people, but understanding we also then have to be clear about the needs of their parents and their grandparents and their teachers and their communities. Because none of us just live in a silo. Everything is in context. My mother she would give us a hard time sometimes, and she would say to us, I don't know what's wrong with you young people. You think you just fell out of a coconut tree? You exist in the context of all in which you live and what came before you.
Do you think you just fell out of a coconut tree, boy? Oh, man. Yes. Yes. She's clearly educated. She can clearly form a sentence. Oh, man. You gotta love it. Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it sometimes, chat. It's too funny. It is too funny.
But it's also...
It's too funny. You just gotta love it sometimes. Can you explain in detail your approach to your trades today? Oh yeah, man, in detail. I'm gonna fucking put it so many fucking details you won't even know, because you're gonna be so many fucking details, man. You can just fucking all the details, man. All right, all the details. I got all the details coming up. Don't worry. We're getting ready here for market open sooner than later. Sooner than later. That's right. Sooner than later. It's time to party. Party, Junior. Lucas Trades, what up, dog? Where you at right now? Are you in Switzerland? Sweden? Where you at? What you doing? Patrick, between Marco Rubio and JD Vance, which one is the best for 2028 election? I mean, you know, it's hard to say. I like Rubio. I like Vance. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so we've got a big old gap there. Got a big old gap there. That's a big old gap right there. Just like my butthole. ICT wants to lick my butthole. That's his tongue trying to lick my butthole. ICT wants to lick my butthole. I'm dying. I'm dying. Hey, PW, do you think that Trump is educated? I think Trump is Trump, and Trump's gonna do whatever Trump's gonna do. I don't know, which I think he's pretty funny. I think he's pretty funny, so I think he's very funny. ICT just wants to lick my butthole. Man. Doesn't ICT have a beard? Yeah, sorry. Let me draw the beard. He looks like this. He's like this. This is what he looks like in real life. ICT. That's my technical analysis for today. Rips called you and ICT out this morning. Said two guys that have never traded real money arguing. Hey man, whatever Rips wants to say, I'm richer, I'm better looking, I'm smarter. I mean, you know, what do you, whatever man. Whatever man. Whatever man. Whatever man. All right, we're going into open here, looking a little bearish. If we lose this, I think if we lose 600 level, the shorts are gonna print. Could move back down there. I'm not saying it's gonna go right away, but this is a big old gap there. Friday's close, right? Friday's close is down there, so we'll see what happens. What happened with ICT and Kit? Nothing happened really. It just they got clapped. No big deal. Just another day in paradise. So do you predict it drops out on open? I mean, I'm just looking at the chart that we see right now. I'm just looking at the chart that we're looking at right now, and I mean, there is a massive gap there, so it is a very, you know, strong possibility. Not to say that it, you know, can't or won't, but we'll see. I posted a video the other day talking about my Ethereum. I got long on Ethereum. I got $120,000 invested in Ethereum. Right now, we're up $8,000 this morning. I showed you guys the chart in the video, but we kind of had a breakout there. We had a big breakout there on Ethereum, kind of this quadruple, I don't even know, massive just kind of support level here at this level. So I got long down here. See if we'll get this little pushback up here. Who knows? I mean, who knows? Ethereum, it goes up, it goes down, it goes all around. Crazy, mac and cheesy. Right now, the ES also has a big gap in it as well. So ES has a big gap in it. Nasdaq has a big gap in it. Everything's got a big gap in it. So big gap on the ES, big gap on the Nasdaq. So if we do start to sell off here at open, it should be a pretty quick, like there's not much, you know, stopping it from going down there and filling that gap. So, dude, Null One Capital, bro, what are you talking about? Will you get out of here? God, guys spamming the chat. Spamming the chat. Degreaseless Monkey says that if we don't see a fall right at open, then we go with the gap and go long. Maybe, yeah, maybe. Maybe. Let's do a poll. What do you guys think? Up or down at open? Up or down at open today? I locked in some big payouts with Lucid over the weekend and then got moved into a live account. It's kind of nice because they moved me right into a live account. So another payout, that's over $60,000 in payouts with Lucid this month. Pretty happy with that. Not a bad month. You know, not a bad month. If Lucas gets hired to the BDH, would he move to Florida? Possibly. So we'll see what happens. If you guys have not already, hit that like button, subscribe button, blow up the like button, blow up the subscribe button. We got 371 likes here. So get it going. Get it going. What does the BDH stand for? It stands for Big Dick House. It's the Big Dick House. It's the Big Dick House. Patrick, is Florida better or is Texas better? I mean, I don't know. Good question, I guess. Right now, we are looking at the poll here. We got 62% down, 38% up. So Carla, what's happening with the young trader who was on a few weeks back? He's on vacation right now, so yeah. We'll see. Somebody says, will you regret your life choices when you'll be eating fungus out of a trash can? Yeah, I don't think that's ever going to happen, but thank you for your support. Thank you for your support, sir. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate it. PW, will you make some money today? I'm going to try to, man. We're going to try to make some money today. No promises, but I'm going to try. I am truly going to try. Anything's possible, right? Anything is possible here. I mean, we got 5 minutes here. The poll ended up being 61% of the chat said we're going to go down. 39% said we're going to go up. So let's see what happens. Are you trading the live accounts today? Yeah, I'm going to try to. I'm going to wait for a good setup for the live accounts, but we'll see what happens here at open. Looks pretty bearish right now, to be honest. Pulling back here, 600s again. So let's see. If we can lose that 600 support and start to sell down here, you've got this low right here that should be pretty easy to take out. And then if we're going to go all the way for that gap fill, that puts us back down there, 28,282 level. The overnight highs so far, 28,760. You can see we pushed above kind of that little high from Asia. The London market pushed up, and now pulling back to the lows again. So it's time. That gap fill is tempting. I mean, it is definitely tempting. It is definitely tempting. If you guys have not already hit that like button, we got 498 likes. Let's see what happens. Besides your live account, which type of accounts do you trade? Funded accounts. So let's see. Let's see. All right, so the ES and the Nasdaq both kind of like around the VWAP right now. The Nasdaq below the VWAP, so we'll see what happens. Someone said 29,000 is coming up. Okay. 29,000. I like it. Which live broker is good to trade in Q? I'd say Tradevate. You are definitely the GOAT of YouTube trading, but why did you come out of retirement? I don't remember ever retiring, but thank you for asking. I don't. Did I retire? Did I retire? I don't remember retiring, but we'll see. We got 2 minutes here. 2 minutes till market opens. Hey, Patrick, do you still have the 20 funded Apex accounts that you passed last week? Yes, I have not actually activated them yet. I need to activate them. I've not activated them yet. I need to, though. Straight down here, 600s now. Down, 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 Periscope. Let's go. I hope it doesn't just go straight down and open. I hope. I hope. I hope. Patrick, will you trade single stock futures? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. You never know. Down, down, Chinatown. Down, down, like Charlie Brown. All right, we're getting close to market open here. If you have not already hit that like button, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We're doing it, doing it, doing it well. We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it well. We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it well. All right, so we might just have to be pretty aggressive on these shorts. We got to see. I would love to see like maybe a pushback up and then get denied, but we're below the 600 level already. Fuck. I hope they don't just waterfall it straight down. I hope they don't just waterfall it straight down, man. I hope so. I truly hope so. I hope not. I hope not. We'll see. What time is the giveaway? No giveaways today, sir. No giveaways. Sorry. We're just making money here. The live stream's for free. All right, looking for a little push up and then get rejected and then sell back. Oh my God, I'm gonna try to short right there. Oh my Lord, almost 10 points. Market is open. First minute candle here. 1 minute candle. She's stuck like right there for now, so gotta see what happens here. Wow. Holding up there at 580s, sell below, stay below 600 here and sell down, take me out at the lows down here. There you go. From the 86s to the 60s, easy peasy mac and cheesy, that's $2,000 profit. So short from the 86s out there at the 60s. We'll take it. Not my best trade ever, but we'll take it. It might still go lower here. Gotta see what happens. Gotta see what happens. Gotta see what happens. Will I trade against Dero today? I will. Right now I'm up $500 in the tournament, the head-to-head. I don't know what I don't know why did I agree to this? But right now I am number 1 on the leaderboard there, so we'll see what happens. Nasdaq's still moving down. You got this low down here, 520s to get to next. Did you just say that you made 2K on that right now? Yeah, Mark Victor, $2,000. Do you know how to do math, sir? Nasdaq's still moving lower. Oh my Lord, look at that. Oh my Lord. Straight down. Straight down, 520s now. Push to the 600s got denied and came straight back down. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. Still going lower. Still going lower there. Who took a short there at open? Raise your hand. Let me know in the chat. Did you get short at open? Who got short? Who got short at open? Who got short at open there? Straight down 500s now. Oh yeah, WWWs. Look at that. The chat is on it. Making money, baby. We're making money. We're making money live. We got 4,000 people watching and we're making money live, baby. It's that easy. It's that simple. We like it. We love it. We want more of it. I tried so hard. I can't rise above it. Don't know what I do because I make a little money. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Don't worry. We got more action coming up here. It is just the first 5-minute candle of the market open. It is still going lower, straight fucking down now. That is over 100 points. If you held that short at open, that's over 100 points, by the way. You know, that's over 100 points. Congratulations. Congratulations. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. We do it live. We show the entries. We show the exits. Nobody else is doing it like this. Nobody. I'm telling you, nobody. There's nobody out there doing it like this. Trading on Tradevate live with you guys. We got the Tradevate prop. We're copy trading. We got the accounts that we're trading and all that fun stuff. So let's see what happens. I want to see another like push back up and then maybe a dump after that. But you know how it goes sometimes. Sometimes we just like fucking waterfall. We do have that big gap here, right? There's a big gap. So gotta see what happens. I'm trying to be patient, but I have a feeling this could just go straight down. All right, nice little push back up here now. Nice little push back up for now. Let's see what happens if we get rejected up here again. 580s or so. Back up there to the EMA for now. Still pushing, still pushing. The ES ripped all the way back up to the top of the opening range so far, so be careful. ES is doing something funky right now. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing something. Doing something funky here. Let's see what NVIDIA is doing. NVIDIA sold straight down at open, kind of holding up now, but look at this push on Nasdaq, straight back up 600s. The chop is real. The chop is real here, boys. Back above that EMA there, showing some strength again. Still below the VWAP and all that stuff there, so. Yeah, the 500 bounce was valid. It makes sense, yeah. That was that overnight low area. Sometimes they do this where they leave that gap unfilled just to get the bears going. Just to let the bears think that they're gonna get the gap, but then they push it right back up. So kind of a little bull flag here. I'm gonna try a long for a quick pop up through this 600 level. It needs to squeeze, basically. A little bit of trouble. I'm gonna add on that EMA bounce. See if we can pop right back up here. My stop is like 580s mentally here. If we can't hold that 580 level, I might get out. Just holding that EMA for now, so. Let's see if we can get a squeeze here. Just stuck there at 600s again, so I'm not liking it. I'm gonna jump out there. Just could not get through there for now. So now it's gonna, as soon as it stops me now, it's gonna probably push back up, but let's see what happens. Yeah, just could not get through there. So shorts are coming in here again. We're back below that 580 level. There's the 560s. So too early. Let's try these shorts here. I think this is gonna just waterfall down now. She's just losing it. I'm gonna try to add. If we break 540s here, I'm gonna add and then try to hold all the way for that low down there. Get back below 500 again, or we just get chopped up here. Big rejection on the 5-minute chart there. Big rejection. Chop Chop City. Looks good, looks good. Come on. Bring it down, 510s. We should get a new low here, right? Like, in theory. Should get a new low here. Bounce right off my target there. Take a little bit off right there. And then my final stop is right above that high. Let's get through 500s here. Try to take out these lows down here. I'm going to trail this now. Stop is right there at the 26s. And we're looking for, obviously, continuation through the downside here now. We can't lose, but we'll see if we can get a bigger winner out of it. Get a bigger winner, possibly. And I mean, hey, sometimes you got to take a trade and you got to get stopped out and then you got to get back in, right? So, I mean, we lost. We had a losing trade, right? I'm not going to lie. We had a losing trade there. It happens. But the moral of the story is we got out, right? We got out. It happens, guys. You're going to have losing trades. But as you saw, I didn't go on tilt. I didn't start freaking out. I didn't start blaming the market makers. We just looked for the next opportunity. We got in short there. And look at that. So, you know, it is kind of what it is sometimes. So we shorted there at the 50s, took some profit there at the 73s. It's still going lower. That's 100 points. That's 100 points. 100 points there. Someone said that I just chased the price, buddy. I mean, hey man, you don't have to watch. Like I don't know why. Why even watch me? Why even watch? Still going lower down there at 430s now. Yeah, I mean, that, to be honest, that was looking kind of squeezy. You know, above that 600 level, I think we could have easily squeezed up there. I mean, I'll take that trade all day, every day. I mean, to be honest, you know, so kind of just sometimes you got to take the trade that you see, not the trade that you think. Nasdaq moving down here. We're up over 8,000, almost like $7,000 in these take profit trader accounts. I love to see it. I love to see it. Nasdaq 28,440, 450 area now. The $1 million question everybody wants to know is, will we start to dump lower, or are we gonna stay around here for a minute? The 15-minute range has still not been set. We have the gap fill, puts us down there to the 280s. Am I looking for buys now? No, still looking for shorts, but I want to see like a pushback up here. I want to see this 5-minute candle put a wick in. Like if we could push back towards this 500 and then sell down, that might be a good short setup. Trade what you think, not what you see. Someone said in the chat. No, I'm just kidding. Trade what you want, but not what you see. Or trade what ICT says and not what you think. Okay? Trade what ICT says, not what you think. That's what I think is the moral of the story. I don't know if you guys heard it now. We got 4,000 people watching. I think you guys, everybody should enjoy this. If you're waiting for the next trade, let's wait for that 15-minute range to figure out what it's going to do. But listen to this. You guys are going to die laughing. ICT wants to lick my butt.
Money from you there. If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year, guess what? We're going to compare 1099Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking...
You heard that, right? He said 50. He's going to make 50 times what I make. Okay?
27. And if
50
I ain't
times, that's a lot.
50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing, drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking... Yeah.
Hey, the only person embarrassed, ICT, is you dumb motherfucker. Oh, man. Nasdaq still pushing down here. We had a little pushback up, but not... I would have wanted a little bit more. But, you know, it seems like it still got some momentum here to the downside. We just broke that little, like, bear flag. Do we try a short? Let's try a short here and see if we can't get a little bit more down. I might even add if we push back up a little bit. I like that we got stuck right there at that EMA. So, let's see what happens. I don't know. Sometimes happy, sometimes lucky, sometimes not. I know it's like shorting at the bottom right now, but we did kind of get rejected hard. We do have that big gap fill, you know, so we'll see. Sometimes shorting at the bottom, it works. Sometimes it doesn't. That's just how it goes. Fuck. PW, what's your P&L today? Right now, we're trailing right around $8,000. That 5-minute candle squeezing back up here. I'm going to try to add to this short here. I think we still got room to the downside. Oh, I like that rejection instantly. Look at that. I can adjust it. and then I can get out for an easy profit. Look at that. I'll just take it off right there because that's $2,500 pretty much. So yeah, ICT, guys, there's something that ICT has never done before, and that's actually make 3 trades in a row where he actually makes money. So, you know, haters are going to hate, but I mean, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. I mean, it is what it is. So ICT has to make $400,000 today, or he's going to delete his YouTube channel. Did ICT mention you in this rant? Yeah, he was because of me. He's a psychopath. He's a motherfucking psychopath. His followers are all psychopaths. He's an absolute crackhead. He's on another level of crack. The fact that he thought that I literally deleted my Twitter account. There he is. He thinks he's Thanos. He thought that he got me. What a kook. What a kook. All right, Nasdaq pushing back up here right now. A little bit of a push. A little bit of a push here. A little bit of a push here. Would you beat ICT in a fight? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me, chat? I would rape him. I would rape him. I would bend him over and rape him. I would absolutely rape him. Like, actually, I wouldn't put my dick in his butthole, but I would rape him. Okay? Right now, Nasdaq is holding up here. 5-minute chart kind of holding up for now. We have that big gap fill, so overall shorts paying today. Shorts. Shorts. We took multiple shorts here today, making a little bit of money. He wants to lick my chocolate starfish. That's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, chat. Someone said this is the low of the day. Yeah, maybe. We still got room to the downside to get down there to that Friday close, 28,280. So we got no major news today. No major news today. So nothing really like out of the ordinary. What do we got? Yeah, nothing really. The big news of the week is going to be July 29th. July 29th, FOMC. FOMC on, what is that? Yeah, on Wednesday. So Wednesday we have FOMC. Expect some choppy action this week. So, the book of him just says, do you think that Trump is smart? I mean, he did become the president of the United States. So, I mean, you can't say that he's dumb. You can say that you don't like him. You can say that you think he's, you know, but I don't think you can say that Trump is dumb by any means. I mean, he is, you know, he is Trump. He is a billionaire. He is the president. So, I mean, you know. So is Biden smart? I think Biden was smart at one point. I mean, now he's brain dead. So, you know, I don't know. I mean, Biden, you know, maybe 30 years ago, he was maybe smart, but he's clearly brain dead now. Clearly. Nasdaq trying to roll over here again. Trying to. Did we try these shorts? Bear flagging right now. What do we think? Try the shorts. On the bear flag, maybe. Look for a new low, possibly. Try to add right there. As long as we stay below 500, we should be good. Fuck. Just chopped it right back up there. My stop is for sure getting taken out. Oh, God. Stay below 500, we're good. If we don't stay below 500, we're in trouble. Let's see what happens. I like that wick right now. I like that wick. That's good wick. It's good wick there. Good wick. Come on down. Need more selling pressure here. More selling pressure. Come on. Sell me down, Nasdaq. Sell me down. I like to get some fill down here like in this 30 level and then try to hold for a new low possibly. Kind of watching it here. It's just like holding up right there now. Come on. Give it on down here. There we go. Getting it on down. We're going to move stop break even there and then look for a new low through this 400 level possibly. We can't lose now, so let's see what happens. If we can lose 440s, we should go straight down through the 400s next, guys. I am short here. Hey, Patrick, my friend just broke up with a girl of 10 months. Any words of wisdom? Yeah, best way to get over a girl is to get under a girl, if you know what I mean. I might just take it right there. These are my new Lucid Live accounts, and I don't want to fuck around, to be honest. It's probably gonna go. There it is. Yeah, it's gonna go. All right, there you go. Through the 420s. So, whatever. Still going lower. Look at that. Man, why y'all worried about Trump? Why y'all worried about Trump in the chat right now? Y'all just worry about making money. There you go. Wow, look at that. She's gone, boys. 400. 400. Brian says, where's the best spot to see your racing content? On YouTube. Some videos on YouTube. God damn it, look at this. Still going lower. Do we think we're gonna fill the gap? It does look like it. It does work. It does look like it. Nvidia is kind of trading down right now. 202 on Nvidia. There's that man. Through the 400s now. I should have just held that. Why did I pussy out? Because I traded my P&L right there. That's exactly what I did. I traded my P&L. I looked up and I saw that I was up $1,000 and I traded, and that's why I got out. So that was, that was my mistake. My mistake. I've got a little bit of jitters right now. I've got a little bit of like jitters with these new live accounts. We just got these live accounts from Lucid over the weekend. So big move here. Look at this thing. That's 100 points now. If you took a short at the 480s, that is 100 points from the 480s now. So congratulations. You gotta love it. You know what sucks is there's no lockout feature on the live account. Why is there no lockout feature on the live account? Look at this thing still going lower. Oh my God. We're going for the gap fill, boys. The gap fill is getting filled today. Pat, can you imagine to meet Trump in the White House? Oh, I can imagine it. I can imagine it. Wow. Wow. Chat, come on. What the fuck? Look at that short setup there. We had a bear flag set up. We had this like, I don't know what that was, just like some stupid little pump for nothing. Yeah, I mean, the no lockout thing is not gonna, that's not nice. I need the lockout feature. Somebody lock me out. I don't want to trade anymore. All right, well, as we predicted, the gap is gapping. You've got pretty much that dotted line down there, 280 level to fill the gap. So got a new hourly candle just opened. New hourly candle just opened. Let's see what happens here. They're gonna dump it straight down there now. All I know is we looking real good. Look at this move, man. Look at this move right now, chat. Look at this move right now. If you took those shorts down there, we took a short at open at 572. Or 550 area. Now it is down there to the 350s. That's 200 points. That's 200 points. Can I get a round of applause? Can I get some W's in the chat? We haven't had just absolute printing here. Absolutely printing. Can I get some W's in the chat? Can I get some W's? Tanner Simmons. I blew my live account because of no lockout feature. That's a big design flaw. The morning only needed $1,200 times 5 to pass my Lucid Pro accounts. Blew them. Reset them and passed them just now. It happens, my friend. It does happen. So look, it's still going. By the way, it is still going, chat. 325. I mean, you can't make this up. Look at it. Who took that short at the fucking 480s there? I took one more little quick short just to get over that $1,000 hump here. First $1,000 made in my Lucid accounts. Let's go. Somebody said that they haven't had time to type because they've been printing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're going for that gap fill here. 380 area is the gap fill now. Got a little bounce here on the ES and the Nasdaq. Be careful. We have had a big move down. We're getting close. Sometimes they like to front run that gap. So, you know, sometimes they'll try to pop it back up before we fill the gap all the way, just because it's a good way to kind of trap some shorts down there, but we'll see. Are they gonna front run it? Someone said it's already filled. Not all the way. The actual close is 280 area. 280 area is the actual close. I think it could still hit that 280 area. Almost, almost. Almost. I'm talking about the New York's close. Yes, Friday close on New York. NY 4 o'clock close is right there, 280 level. So after they close, does it usually buy up from there? It really just depends. Sometimes pop, sometimes drop. Continuation. I mean, we've had a pretty big move down here. That hourly candle went straight down. I mean, I don't want to say that, you know, it's got to bounce here, but you would think that if they're going to bounce it, this is exactly where they would bounce it at. Who knows? How is the... Oh, I guess because we're still above the open. What the fuck? Why does that candle look so weird? Why is it a green candle on the daily chart? Got to refresh. Still green. Why does that daily candle show that it's fucking... That's so weird. Now, oh yeah, there... Oh, yeah. I guess it's just because it's right at the open from the overnight. It's a very weird... Never mind. Now we figured it out. All right, 280 level. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I think I'm gonna close this account. I'm gonna close these out, right? I'm up $5,000 in my brand new Tradeify live accounts, right? And I don't wanna, you know, I don't want to give it back. So I'm just going to close these out. I think that's the best bet, right? Close them out. Day one complete, right? Day one complete. $5,000 in these brand new live accounts. We got to build a buffer up, you know, so let's close those out for now. We got more accounts to trade. Don't worry. Everything is fine. But we close those out for now. You know, day one, baby, day one, okay? Is it hard being the biggest and the largest? Fuck, it is hard, man. It is hard, but it is good. It's good to be big. It's good to be large, if you know what I mean. Look at this pump back up here now. 280 to 340 really quickly. We filled the gap. I mean, part of you has to think that we maybe get some pushback up. It's a lot of selling pressure. But who knows? Who knows? We got FOMC on Wednesday, by the way. FOMC on Wednesday. It's going to be a wild week of action. 5-minute candle putting that wick down there for now, so got to see what happens down here now. This 5-minute chart kind of looking like it wants to bounce here. We're right there. We bounced at the gap. Right there at the gap for now, so. You gotta love it though, don't you? Last night we talked about that gap fill. It waited all night long and then finally went. PW, I like how you screw ICT. I mean, guys, right? I know that I got a lot of hate, the ICT people, but like the one simple question that I have for everybody out there is if ICT is so good at trading, why does he not take my offer? Right? Why does he not take my offer? Right? All he has to do is just out trade me for a month and I will donate $1 million. Right? I'll donate $1 million to St. Jude. All ICT has to do is just trade against me for 1 month. For 1 month. Why does he not do it? I have the $1 million. You know, like, why does he not want to do it? If he's so good at trading, why not do it? Why not? Nasdaq back down. Will they hold this low, or are we going to keep on bleeding out? Yeah, why not do it for the children? Why does ICT not want to do it for the children? You know? For the children, man. The fucking children. Just do it for the children, ICT. Do it for the children. I know you want to lick my butthole, but why not do it for the children? Dude, he was...
If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year.
So I went in this this Twitter space, and I was in there talking shit to ICT, and he went off the fucking deep end. Nasdaq's still going low.
Money from you there. If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year, guess what? We're going to compare 1099 Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing, drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you have fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your
bum fucking Fort Lauderdale's bum fucking
ass
nowhere
on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking big ass. Fucking clown.
Hey,
Dude,
it's been fun. It's been fun.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you something, right? Whenever somebody says something and then goes, "I'll kick your ass," "I'll suck your dick," "I'll lick your butthole," like, nope, no sir, no sir.
And it's been real, right?
This is the best part. The other guy started to say that it's been fun, and IC goes, "Don't interrupt me! Don't interrupt me!"
No, I'm not done. Don't interrupt me.
My bad.
Coming here, holding your dick in your hand, and saying some Mickey Mouse shit and running away. That's the biggest cowardice shit I've ever fucking seen. Dude, I'm out here every fucking week telling you exactly what this market's gonna do. I made so much fucking money, you would shit and fall back in and roll around in that motherfucking shit. You will never see money like that. You will never see money.
Guys, I'm poor. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm poor, right? I don't have any money. I don't have a helicopter. I'm poor. I've never been as rich as ICT. Right? I've just never been as rich as him. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm poor. What will I ever do? What will I ever do? I want to be like ICT when I grow up and be poor also. God. Dude is off his fucking rocker. And you also know when someone starts like yelling and screaming and like they're out of breath. I'm gonna lick your asshole. And I'm gonna Uh-oh. Took me down. He took the ICT people took my live stream down. Just kidding. I'm back. I mean, I'm rolling too. I'm laughing my ass off. I'm laughing my ass off at the fact that this guy is out of breath. He can't even talk shit without fucking being out of breath. You know? He can't even talk shit without being out of breath. Somebody said, Patrick, why do you have so many haters? I'll tell you exactly why I have so many haters, right? Because I live in a world of reality, right? I'm a realist. I'm a realist. I like to live in reality, right? So this guy here, he's just, I don't even know. This guy, one of ICT's followers wrote, you're an idiot, piss of shit. Since you can't come at ICT without calling African, you bastard fool. I see why you're hated, Patrick. You are a failure and you don't want to accept it, fool, at 40 plus. Well, you know, what's the what are the chances, chat? What are the chances that this guy lives in Nigeria? What do you think the chances are? When you read this, what would be the chance? 100% chance? 90% chance? 50-50? You know? Which one? 50% chance? Let me think. Oh, no, it's 100% chance. He lives in Nigeria. Yep. I should have known. And also, Nigeria has, it's ranked 191 in the world for education. That's not like a good scale. That's like, they're one of the worst. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. I mean, at least if you're gonna talk shit, at least like, you know, speak with like some kind of fucking, you know, some kind of something. Gotta think of something. You gotta get that dick out of your mouth, man, next time you're speaking to me. Are we gonna keep bleeding out today? Possibly. We had pretty much red, green now. Gotta see what happens here next. Peter said, holy shit, I'm happy I found this guy. Not only a good trader, but also funny. Let's go. Fucking A, still going lower here. I'm gonna try a quick little short here to see if we can get a new low. Get a little new low here. I've not taken out these lows yet. We should take out these lows. Come on. Get through there. I'll just take it right there. This is, I don't want to say it, but So I'm doing the cup right now, the Legends tournament, right? It's me versus the guy that won the Legends tournament. So the guy that won the Legends tournament, it's me versus him. So it's 1 versus 1, and right now it doesn't look like he's taking any trades yet. I don't know if he's waiting for me to blow up or what, but we'll see. I can't give him too much information, you know. I can't be showing him all the good trades here, people. You know, I can't be showing all the good trades here. We're up almost $2,000 in that account, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here. A little push back up. That was a nice little... We swiped the 5-minute low. I'm going to try a quick long here. See if I can get over $2,000 profit. Just a quickie. Just give me like a quick pop. There we go. All right, we're up 2,000 in the tournament account now. So, who won the Legends tournament? Not Kellyanne. So, gotta see what happens here. We got these Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. So we got some new Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. We made $2,500 in those accounts today. So probably a good time to lock out. Probably a good time to lock out here, honestly, but I don't know. Will we get a bounce back above 600? Probably not. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Probably not, though. Top Man Terry says, PW, it's amazing how consistent you are. I've been following you for 3 years, and of course, in your course is the GOAT. I mean, hey, little profits add up, man. I think a lot of people forget that, right? A lot of people forget that little profits do add up. Little profits do add up. I was looking for maybe trying to get a long down here, but no reason to get long just yet. We keep getting denied. Just bleeding. Bleeding. We're taking out this low, the 200 level, so maybe we get down to like 180, and maybe that's a little bounce spot. Maybe. Are we gonna bleed out until the ES fills the gap? Yeah, maybe. Looking at that now, huh? ES has not closed the gap. Yeah, I see that. I see that. Nasdaq's kind of holding up down there. It is currently 10:22 in the morning. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. We got Denny every night this week, 6 o'clock. Make sure you tune in for that, Denny, after hours. I'll be trying to stream some 10 o'clock streams as well this week, so tune in. This is the previous day low. Yes, previous day low right now that we're taking out. So will this be reversal spot? Hourly candle. Where do we go from here? Maybe down there, 27,920 area if we really keep on going. I mean, you would think that this would be a spot to bounce, right? We're taking out the previous day low. The problem is like it's just like, what's your stop at, you know? Where's your stop at here? That's the only problem. Where's your stop at? I do feel like it's going to bounce here. The orange line is the pivot points. Pivot points. I use pivot points standard on TradingView. All right, we're swiping these lows now. You could be, I mean, I feel like if it's gonna bounce, I want to see 180s get taken out here, a little lower. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this 180 bounce area. I'm gonna try the old Ocala play here. Ocala play. Give me an Ocala play here for 20 points. You know what I mean? Someone in the chat said, if you're rich and a good trader, why does every videos you... Ali Trader says, if you're rich and a good trader, why does every videos of yours remember ICT? I tell you because you're stupid and you want some views. Okay, cool. Thank you. I am poor, chat. I am poor. Nice to meet you. I like the money, but I am poor. I mean, the funny thing is, all of the ICT supporters, like, why are they all so butthurt at the fact of me calling their mentor a scam? Is it because maybe deep down they all know that he is a scam, or what, you know? See, this is that problem. Now it's just gonna like, are we gonna just keep bleeding out here? Fuck. I'm gonna try one more long there. No reaction. I need a reaction down here. Need a reaction here. I mean, if their mentor is so good, why are they so worried about me and what I say? You know, I don't know. We're trying to play this hourly chart setup right now for a possible bounce up here. We took out the previous day low. This is a hard trade to do sometimes, but it can be very, very fruitful. You can make a lot of money on these plays. The problem is just you never know exactly where the bottom is here. If we can get that reaction back up here, I think we'd be looking really good for an easy 30, 40 points, but just got to get through, get back above 180s here. That's the 9 EMA on the chart there. Still just dipping here. The 1 hour candle, there's no wick on the bottom of this 1 hour candle yet. And it's still just straight down, so. Tricky spot. Yeah, the ES is trying to fill the gap. That's probably, we can maybe go lower before the ES fills the gap, I guess. Good point, good point. Good point, good point. Still bleeding out there, 130s now. No bouncy bounce yet. Man. Not looking good here for me right now. Down there, the 120s. No bounce at all. Ouch. You gotta love it. You try to play the, I try I try to predict it. See, that's the problem here. That's the problem here. Trying to predict the bottom. Don't do it. Not a good strategy. ES did fill the gap here, but we got to see the Nasdaq. I mean, that fucking hourly candle. Still straight down. Crazy. Zero bounce. Motherfuckers. We're going downtown, Charlie Brown. Pivot point right there, 84s next, so not looking good here. Wow. That's impressive work, to be honest. Straight down. Look at that. Crazy. Well, now it's gonna, this is where it's gonna bounce at, watch. For sure. Oh, so annoying. Right through the pivot point. Down there to the 50s now. The bleed out is real. I gotta make it bounce somehow. Somebody make it bounce, please. Somebody. Please help me. Please help me bounce it. We tried the longs off that 100 break, but that did not work out. Stopped out there, so we'll see what happens here. Everything just kind of fell straight down through the floor here. I do think at some point we're gonna bounce, but I mean maybe not. Maybe we just go straight down all day. Sell, sell, sell. To be honest. Should just held a short all day. Yeah, I mean that. Oh, it's always just, it's easy to say in hindsight, right? Easy to say in hindsight that you should short all day. Still just like no reaction down here yet. Where we got on the next area? Next area is what, 27,902 level that we could maybe go to. Yeah, 27,900 is the next level that is pretty much just hanging out down there right now. So, gotta see what happens here. Just straight down. The bleed out. I mean, I think 27,000. That next pivot point is right there at 27,880 area. Can we go all the way down there? Is that doable? Or is it just fucking dump? Some buying pressure coming in here, but they got to get it back above 28,100 for the bears to get screwed over here. They kind of swipe those lows down there, but not looking too hot right now. Not looking too hot right now. Fuck. Still bleeding out. Yeah, whenever you think the market can't go lower, it just keeps going lower. I agree. You gotta love it. She's gone. Straight down. 28,000s now. Still straight down, 28,000. Crazy work. La 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 la. I mean, there's no way this is going to just keep going down forever, right? Forever, right? Forever, right? Right? I mean, maybe. I'm kind of like watching if we get back above this EMA at any point. I'm gonna try a long here. I think we're gonna bounce. Like I don't know. Maybe. If we break back above like 28,060, I'm looking for a bounce. But if not, just let it go lower first. Do we just trade momentum at this point? Yeah, pretty much. Still going for new lows there. Missed the bear flag, yeah. Big dump right now, though. I'm trying to long here. I don't know. I'm gonna try to hold this a little bit and see if we can't get a nice, like, I think we could get at least like 100 points maybe back up, but might be wrong. ICT makes your yearly wage in one trade. Yes, 100%. 100%. I made 16 million last year. So did he make 16 million in one trade? Did he? Did he make 16 million in one trade? So yeah, shut the fuck up, idiot. All right, I'm going to hold this for at least 100 points. We're going for at least 100. If not, it is what it is. Oh, my God. Got rejected right there at the fucking EMA again, Patrick. Come on. Right at the 28,000 again. Rejected right back down. We were up 50 points there for a second. Someone in the chat said I'm going to get wrecked. Okay. I mean, whatever, bro. Keep watching the show. Watch me get 50 points here. Or I mean 100 points. I'm a liar. Guys, this is live right now. Don't worry. No lying needed. We're doing it live. Where'd this guy go? I'm gonna pin this guy's comment so we can see it later. See how smart he is. I got my stop at break even. I'm looking for a back up 28,100 area. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Break even now. I put my stop right there at the 82s. That's like 30 points guaranteed, but looking for more. Hey, CFN trader, that's 100 points, by the way. Just want to let you know that's 100 points. Just letting you know, you fucking tool. You fucking tool. We can bust through this 50 area. I think there's still room to the upside there, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna trail this a little more. Stop is at right below 2,800, 28,000 now. That's 100 points. I'll just see if I can get filled there at 64. That's over 100 points. I'm not going to be greedy. I don't want to rub it in his face. You know, I don't want to rub it in the guy's face. I don't want to rub it in his face. I feel bad, you know. But, I mean, I don't want to, you know, I don't want to rub it in his face or anything. Where'd he go? He's quiet now. Why is he so quiet now? Why is he so quiet now, chat? Where'd he go? Why is he not talking anymore? Why is he not talking anymore, chat? It's so weird. Why'd he stop talking? Why'd he stop talking? Why'd you stop talking, CFN? What happened? I don't see you talking. LMFO, 100 points. Buddy, you're in a bear market. You're in a bear market, sir. You do know that even during a bear market, the market does bounce sometimes, right? You do know that. You do know that, right? Oh, now I got, no. CFN trade. I didn't get lucky. You said it was going to go lower. I said it was going to go up. So were you unlucky? You know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, you said it was a short, I said it was a long. It has nothing to do with luck. Has nothing to do with luck at all. I mean, it's very simple, right? Look at the fucking bigger picture here on the hourly chart, right? I mean, wow, who would have thought? Who would have thought, boys? We had support down here at the 940 level. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Who would have thought? I wouldn't have thought that. Right? There's no way that I would have figured that out. No fucking way. There's no way that I would have known that. How would I have known that? Oh my God, I'm a genius, clearly. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. He goes, explain your trade idea. I mean, I just explained it. Previous lows down here. I mean, we swiped the previous day low. I mean, that was the spot. By the way, it's only pushing back up here. So, I mean, that's almost 200 points coming up. That's almost 200 points coming up there. So, I mean, you know, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing, but whatever. Hey, CFN, use the code PW, okay? When you reset your account, make sure you use the code PW, sir. Okay? It works really great. It works really great. It's a great code to use, gets you a good deal, right? Check out, you know, Lucid, or check out Take Profit Trader, code PW. I got you, baby. I got you. I'll take care of you, buddy boy. Don't you worry. Daddy's here. Daddy is here, okay? I'm your daddy, boy. I'm your daddy. Someone said I'm an asshole. Well, I mean, you know, ICT wants to lick my asshole. He said it live, not me. I mean, I didn't say it. He said it. I mean, honestly, he said it, not me. I don't know why he would say that he wants to lick my asshole. But I mean, I guess that's some weird ICT type shit, you know. They'd be like, ICT be like, I'm going to lick your ass.
If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year, guess what? We're going to compare 1099Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing, drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first. Right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again. Because I will embarrass your fucking ass. Fucking clown.
Hey,
Dude,
it's been fun. It's
money.
been fun, and it's been real.
No,
right?
No, I'm not done. Don't interrupt me.
My bad. My bad.
Coming here, holding your dick in your hand, and then saying some Mickey Mouse shit and running away. That's the biggest cowardice shit I've ever fucking seen. Dude, I'm out here every fucking week telling you exactly what this market's going to do. I made so much fucking money, you would shit and fall back in and roll around in that motherfucking shit. You will never see money like that. You will never see money fucking money from.
And honestly, the reason that ICT was upset was because I said that he doesn't trade with real money and he can't actually make money. So that's why he got really upset and started having a fucking meltdown, because I said that he's a joke and doesn't know how to make money. So he got very upset about that. So yeah, poor guy. Poor guy. All right, well, we did push back up here, 120s now. So, I mean, let's see what happens here next. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. We're going into the 11 o'clock candle. The push is real there, boys. The push is fucking real. That's almost 200 points off of the low that we took down there. So big shout out to CFN Trader. Dude, he deleted his comment. This motherfucker deleted. He went back and deleted his comment. That's fucked up. Get back in here, you motherfucker. You little pussy bitch. Get back in here right now, boy. You better get your little ass back in here right now. That's 200 points, by the way. You guys know that. That's 200 points, by the way, from that low down there. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, right? I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but that is 200 points back up here now. I know. I mean, he said I couldn't even get 100 points, but I got 200 points. So, I mean, thank you. You're the best. Thank you, CF Trader. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Keep watching the stream. Hit that like button. Use the code PW. Someone said, address my African comment. The African comment is very simple, right? I said that ICT's followers are uneducated Africans, right? The same way that if I said ICT's followers were uneducated Europeans, or they were uneducated Americans, or uneducated Asians, or uneducated, anything. It's not saying that Africa is uneducated. It's saying that most of ICT's followers are from places where education is, not the strongest thing. So there's uneducated Canadians, there's a lot of uneducated people, but for some reason ICT has a lot of followers from Africa. You know what I mean? So, I mean, that's just, it's called facts. So, I mean, I'm just saying. The point that I like to make, though, or I guess I want to make, is that like you'd have to be uneducated to believe that ICT can actually make money. You know what I mean? Like you'd have to be fucking retarded. You'd have to be retarded. You know what I mean, though? Like you'd have to be actually retarded to think that ICT actually makes money. So that was like my whole point. And I think that there's a lot of Africans who got upset that I said that they're retarded because they believe that ICT actually makes money. All right, don't say I'm racist. I'm not racist. I'm just pointing out the fact that anybody who believes that ICT actually knows how to make money is retarded and uneducated. That's all. It's not racism. It's just the truth. You'd have to be absolutely retarded to believe that ICT actually makes money. That's all I said. So, you know. How is it? It's not ignorant. It is not ignorant to say that ICT preys on uneducated people. Right? That is not ignorant by any means. It's simple. If you go and you look at his followers, this is how they speak. You are an idiot, piss of shit, since you can't come at ICT without calling African. You bastard fool. I see why you hate. Patrick, you are failure and you don't want to accept it. Accept it, fool, at 40 plus. Where does this man live? He lives in Nigeria. He's one of ICT's followers. So, I mean, he's proving the point. So, I don't make up the I don't run the world. I just know that there's things called, you know, there's reality. You know, there's reality. There's reality, chat. It's just called reality. It's called reality. CFN Trader, he's now asking for apologies. It's all good. Hey man, trust me, sometimes I could have been wrong. I could have lost on that trade. You're right. The trend was clearly down. Yeah. You're not wrong. You're right. You were definitely right there. I mean, I'm not. It's not about being wrong. I mean, hey, sometimes you take a trade, it doesn't work out. That's, I think people forget, right? At the end of the day, sometimes when you take a trade, it might not work out. You know? So, it's just how it is. It doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It just means that the trade just didn't work out. Right? There's nothing like, I don't know. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. It doesn't mean you're bad, doesn't mean you're retarded. It just means that trading is difficult, it's hard, it's not easy. That's all I got. All right, so the Nasdaq kind of like stuck here right there at that EMA on the 5-minute chart, right? So if we start to sell through 140, you got to wonder, do we start to dump again, right? Is that the dump start of the next pullback or the next continuation lower here? They need to basically hold this 140 level to try to pop up there towards to fill that gap maybe. I like the idea of maybe kind of filling the gap to try to like, well, not fill the gap, but try to like get back to the close area. Maybe. But we're right there at that EMA now, so. Got the VWAP all the way up at 28,400. Right? So. Kind of watching here. If we start to break back down below 140, maybe it's a short setup, but if they keep it above like this area right here, this 5-minute candle's got that wick on the bottom. So let's see if it starts to roll over, or are they going to pump it through here one more time? Get up there above that 200 level, maybe. Maybe. Kind of bull flagging, trying to do something here. The last 2-minute candle, like, it was a little doji, but then this candle's kind of pushed back up. Yeah, ES is pumping right now. Nasdaq should try to go for that 200 level there next. It's trying. PW, why do you even come on stream? Boorish as fuck. Let D-Money come make some money. What? Clearly you didn't watch earlier, did you? Clearly you didn't watch the 100-point trade that we took at the bottoms. Nasdaq got denied up there. A little bit of trouble, right back down again. I think if they start to roll over here, this could turn into another short setup to move back down, right? I mean, get through that 140 area, try to move back down maybe. Still just kind of holding up right there, though. Just kind of holding up right there. Let's try to see if we're going to get this breakthrough 200. We kind of swipe that low down there and then see if we can get through 200s here next. Be like maybe up into here, 212s or so. Probably more. Getting very tight. Can we get a break here? It's kind of stuck up there for now. Trouble here. Might have to get out of here. Might have to get out of here. Let's see. If we lose the 150s, we got to get out. Yeah. Yeah. Out for now. Just can't get through there. Shorts maybe come in and take it back down. Wow. Are they going to really do that? pop it off there again. We'll see. It's rolling over. Not looking hot. Can we get the short down? Get the short down here, Lieutenant Dan. That 11-10 chop. 11-10 chop stopped out there. No good. Oh, wow. Now it pops straight back up again. You gotta love that. You do have to love that, chat. It is funny sometimes how that works. Right when it stops you out, it goes right back up. Right when you do that. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Right back down though, 150s again. Just kind of chopping here. This fucking chop zone. Man, just the fucking chop here. Middle of the day chop. Just stuck right there at the 160, 150 area. We got right up that EMA, stuck for now, so will they push it higher? I was thinking they were going to push it above that 200 level. We got kind of chopped up there. And right now, just kind of stuck there for now. Can't go anywhere. Wow. Nvidia's going for new lows. Nasdaq looks like it wants to roll over here. If we lose that 140 area, it could start to sell back down. So we'll see. We'll see. Just holding there, 160s. And starting to roll over here. There's that break through the 140s, down there 100s. Rolling over. Got a big wick on an hourly candle, but you know how that goes sometimes. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Broke through the hundreds for now. $15-minute candle. You got that pivot point right there at the 80 area. Nvidia is sell, 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 making new lows right now. 197 on Nvidia. Will the Nasdaq find some support here at this pivot point, or do we continue to go lower? There's the 80s. We're going to bleed down here now for new lows or what? Well, the ES and the NASDAQ kind of pulling back here. Right there at that pivot point. Start to roll over that low down there. 27,920 area possible. The rollover's real. Fucking A. Look at that thing. She's going. Dump Dump City. Right there, that pivot point. If you're looking now, you'd kind of want to see basically like another bear flag to form, like right here. Maybe then we roll over. This could just chop around down here. The Nvidia took out that low down there. Nasdaq just pushed right back up again. Right there at that pivot point now. Right there at that pivot point now. This be a higher low, obviously. 5-minute candle right now, trying to put in a higher low, maybe. Held that pivot point right back up, so. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Is this going to be a higher low before, well, to push back up here now? What do you think, chat? Higher low or higher low? Higher low or higher low? What do we got? What do the numbers look like? Higher low, possibly. Higher low. Chop Chop City. $15-minute candle does have a wick on the bottom. We kind of pulled back. 15-minute candle kind of pushed back up here. Got above the hundreds, but now like kind of getting stuck there again. Kind of like maybe we go for this high again on this 15-minute candle. What do you got? Going into that 1130? Maybe? I don't know. Right? Like maybe? I don't know. Maybe? Right back down again. 15-minute candle just kind of forming, playing out here. Will they keep that wick there or not? Chopping around here at the 70s now. Yeah, it got rejected right at that EMA on the 5-minute chart again, didn't it? The Bears want to play. Will they dump it through here now? Like through this 50 area gets us moving down, I think probably for a new low, right? I mean, we'll see. Just right there at that pivot point, 70-80 level. New 5-minute candle just opened as well. A little pushback up here, maybe to put some wick in to go lower. Just kind of chopping here, holding these lows for now. It's that midday chop. Midday chop here. We had some big moves that open. Now we're just probably going to chop around for the rest of the day. Lunchtime chop. The old lunchtime chop-a-rooney. Sitting right there at the 60s. It's not chopping, it's printing to go lower and lower. I mean, maybe. Looks kind of like it's chopping right now, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right, I don't know. Looks like it's chopping. I guess chopping before going lower maybe is a good way to say it. Gotta learn to trade the chop. I mean, not really. You don't have to learn. It's kind of building out a range here now, it looks like. Just a range right now. We're stuck below those that EMA on the 1-minute chart. 5-minute chart's kind of like just wicking around here. Nvidia is still making new lows. ES is starting to roll over as well. And are they gonna pop this back above the hundreds again? Like I said, they're just kind of holding down there, chopping around. Testing the 40s again. Make up your mind, Nasdaq. Make a move here. Yeah, Nasdaq's selling. ES is selling, but just kind of stuck down here at this 40 area for now. We start to get through 40s, maybe we go lower, but they are not doing it nicely. Through the 40s, down there into the 30s now. There we go, starting to move again. Nvidia is sell right now. Nvidia's down there 196.24, so looks like Nasdaq's trying to follow here. Got to be careful though. They're gonna try to yank this back up to do that kind of lower high. I mean, the higher low again, but I love the people in the chat. They're like, I told you he was gonna do this. I told you, Patrick. Patrick, why do you not listen to me? I told you he was gonna do it. Gotta love it. Patrick, I told you. Patrick, you never listen to me. You gotta listen to me. Nvidia is just bleeding out. Nasdaq's looking weak here, but they got to get more selling pressure to make a new low here. Take out that double kind of bottom area down there, huh? A little double bottom area down there. That's 28,000 again. Going for new lows, possible. We lose 28,000. I think you got to go for new lows. The low from earlier is 950 area, so it's a chocolate starfish. That's if we lose 28,000 there. ICT wants to lick my fair value gap. This is true. Very, very true. $28,000, $28,000, $28,000. Will it break $28,000? Go for that low down there. It's holding on for dear life right here. There's 28,000 breaking. Starting to get a little bit more movement there. I think we got to go for new lows. 27,900 now, right? ES is making new lows right now. ES just made a new low. So, will the Nasdaq follow there? Get a little bounce here at the 28,000s now. Bounce right off the 80 there. Back up to the 20 again. Building out a bear flag right now. They got a bear flag here. If we start to sell back below 28,000, should sell lower there. Kind of chopping around here. 28,000 now. Still battling here. They're still battling, trying to hold that 28,000. This is not good for the bears if this starts to squeeze because, well, they're kind of putting that higher low in there going into the hourly candle close, right? Like, you got another wick on the bottom of that candle, so. The ES kind of swiped the lows and then popped right back up. The Nasdaq's doing the same. Volume slowing down. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. Right back up there to the 40s again. Wow. Wow. And right back up. So we put in a higher low for now. Will that be enough to get going back up again? $1 million question. Nobody knows. Yeah, Nvidia's trying to find some support for now, but it's hard to say. Maybe 5-minute candle, we push back up, tap that EMA area again, and then roll over. What do you think, chat? What do you say? Market is just stuck here now. Just fucking stuck. I think she's setting up for a short, but you gotta be careful here. Do-do-do-do. I'm gonna try this short. I'm gonna try this short here, chat. I don't know. Looks like it wants to roll over here, right? Like it looks like that. I'm gonna try to add to. I think we could try to make a new low there. That's what I want to see. Possibly a new low. That's what my target is. My target's gonna be new lows. So maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. 28,000, we get rid of 28,000 here. We sell, sell, sell into that 12 o'clock candle close. I'm looking for these lows down here, baby. Ugh. Stopped out there. God, that sucks. Just to go right back down. And right back down again. All you gotta do is try short again. Just try to short again. Just short it again. God damn it. Stopped out again. I got these, like, I got some Tradify accounts that are like, I have like no balance left in them, but only like a $400 drawdown in those accounts. They're just evals. Just could not get it. Learn ICT, Patrick. You'll never hit your stop loss. True that. All right, well, we're going into this hourly candle close. Looks like we probably just gonna hold on here for next 10 minutes before moving later on, maybe. Holding 28,000 for now. Probably see what happens after that hourly candle closes, but that wick right now, just kind of holding that last hourly candle wick. Definitely doesn't look bullish, but kind of trying to put that higher low for now. Man, oh man. Still, oh my God. Pushing back down again. 28,000 just kind of bouncing here for the last 15 minutes. Can't get it through 28. Can't get it down, can't get it up. So... a lot of chop here. A lot of chop here. Robert said, girlfriend didn't come to the trip this time? What? The fuck you worry about my girlfriend, Robert? The fuck? She's literally here in the house. God. People are fucking retarded. Like... just because she's not on the live stream, you think that she's not here? Like, what the fuck? All right, hourly candle obviously closing here soon. I'm trying. Right back up there towards the 60s, 50s. We got that EMA that we've been tapping a few times, 80 area on the 5-minute chart. So we'll see what happens. We got D-Money coming up in 4 minutes. D-Money coming up. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. blow it up. Right now, the Nasdaq made a big move at open. We had a huge move at open. We took a short at open. Oh my, it was a big move there at open today. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Use the code PW. Tune in daily, 9 a.m. Eastern. All right. We be doing it. We be doing it live. Your mentor's mentor, he dreams of my butthole. It's a fact. He actually dreams of licking my butthole. I don't know. I personally am not, I wouldn't really want to lick another man's butthole, but I mean, ICT, he does like a good butthole licking. So,
fucking money from you there. If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year.
You want $1 million?
Guess what? We're going to compare 1099Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing, drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking ass.
Why did he stutter so much? Dude wants to lick my butthole. What do you think, babe? You think Icy wants to lick my butthole? Some guy in the chat, he asked that you didn't. He said you didn't come on the trip anymore, so you must not love me anymore. Come here. You gotta make sure. You gotta show the people that you're real. Just show your tits. Just put your tits in the camera. Look, she's here. Oh my God, where's your girlfriend at, Patrick? You fucking losers.
You still love me.
God. Nasdaq pushing back up here, 28,050s. Gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. Yeah, ICT was fucking blowing a brain vessel. Brain vessel? Blood vessel. Blood vessel in his fucking brain. Nasdaq back up here, 28,060s. There it is. Just the kind of putting in that higher low for now. We got D-Money coming up in about a minute. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll see you when I see you tomorrow morning, Turbo Tuesdays. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down in the DMs. I'll see you all whenever I see you. Peace to the motherfucking Middle East.
Fucking money from you there. If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year, guess what? We're going to compare 1099Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing, drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking ass. Fucking clown.
Hey,
Dude,
it's been fun. It's
money.
been fun, and it's been real.
No,
right?
No, I'm not done. Don't interrupt me.
My bad.
Coming here, holding your dick in your hand, and then saying some Mickey Mouse shit and then running away. That's the biggest cowardice shit I've ever fucking seen. Dude, I'm out here every fucking week telling you exactly what this market's going to do. I made so much fucking money, you would shit and fall back in and roll around in that motherfucking shit. You will never see money like that. You will never see money